nikikucheki na zira. Sio kama nimekunywa pombe, nimeokoka lakini urembo wako mama unanimoja. Mimi napigwa na butwa, urembo wako wanimaliza. Mimi napigwa na butwa, baby umependeza sana. Baby baby
yeah, me and my queen under the mango tree. No, under the Iroko tree. Behind the village square.
Actually waiting for the king and his guards.
Yeah, and the handsome prince.
I'm actually waiting for the king. The king is old.
But you married him.
For his wealth. Now I will be queen. I'm reigning his stead.
Is that what you did in this movie?
Hi guys, it's the private screening of the film Ohioma, The Voice of Old here in Lagos at the Silverbed Cinemas in Keja. I play the role of Queen and I'm looking forward to having a first-hand experience of my performance. Is it that you giving my flowers or you take the flowers from me?
We're giving you the flowers.
It's actually mind-blowing when you are looking forward to your performance in such an exhilarating movie portraying the Igala rich African culture. You find someone who is not of Igala origin doing an Igala movie. I had a high point in that production. There's this word they use in greeting the king. I was always losing touch of it, so I had to write it down on my palm. So whenever I went in front of the king, before the king, I would just put my palms together and then greet the king. It was like, okay, this lady is humble, paying obeisance to her husband, but I was actually looking at the greeting to enjoy Ohioma with me. This is Queen Barbara.
has 3 children. And my name is Barbara Ossai, a Hollywood filmmaker. Keep watching Track TV. I play the role of a queen in this beautiful story. It's an intriguing Igala story, and it's mind-blowing when you see creativity bring your imaginations into reality. That's what happened in this story. We all are going in to have a first-hand experience of the magic that we brought into life. Ohioma is a beautiful piece and will always remain a beautiful piece.
I'm here to see Ohioma. This is a movie. It's rich cultural heritage from what Igala Kingdom. I'm so excited.
Trekking challenge I probably experienced was the bridge in language. You will come out a lot easier when you're saying sentences, saying lines, delivering your lines, and you're acting, and you have that Igala spirit in you, not just the characterization, but in the words that you speak. So that was just about the only challenge of the time. I'm probably most times shot into the night, and security reasons in Nigeria and all of that. It was really a nice time, but it was just about the very first time that I had a close-up with him. I've been in several movies with him. This was the first time that I was up close with him. So the very first time he came on set, I had to go meet him, I greeted him and said, I'm the one playing your villain. He goes, oh wow, okay. We took our lines, got into character. It was a nice experience working with him. He's a nice person, It's not the nice sacrifice that we know him to display. The message to learn from my character, it's resilience. In any situation you find yourself, always stand for the truth. No matter what it's going to take from you, no matter what it's going to cost you, always stand for the truth, right? And I do my best to make sure that I follow something through till the very end.
So what's one takeaway you want us to come
We should always, at all times, uphold our rich cultural heritage. Thank you.
One who small is given, if he has delivered, much will be given. Even with all the things that have been said by some people, registered very deeply in the minds and the hearts of those who were saddled with the responsibility of interpreting key characters in the film. Because they saw in that story something that resonates with the whole of Africa. There is nobody living in Africa who is not proud of what they are part of. One who small is given, if he has delivered, much will be given.
Much is given, yeah.